Alright, so in this video, I'm going to talk about 4 things that I love about this truck. So, number 1, obviously being the power. Yeah, so this truck has good power. And, not because it's tuned or deleted or whatever. Even stock, this thing's pretty quick for what it is. Not quick, but it had good power. Just good power in general. So, right now I'm on a Tyrant tow tune. I'm just on a tow tune and I can just... it gets, it goes. I don't like to run the higher tunes because I have 4 tunes for this truck. I have performance, or I have tow, street, performance, and like extreme. I've never put it on an extreme because fuck that. It supposedly gets you 200 horsepower. I don't know. I mean, I'm sure it does, but not worth it to me. Not worth blowing my engine up. Put it on performance like once, and I just turned it off because I was like, I'm gonna blow this thing up. So if it's not on tow, it's on street, but it's rarely. It's pretty much always on tow tune. So. Yeah, it has good power. It can get up and go for an 8,000 pound truck. It's coming from the 6.7 Power Stroke. I think stock, I'm gonna get roasted. I think it's 425 horsepower, 415, 425, 420, something around there for the 15, and then 860 pound-feet of torque, or is it the new one? The new one has like 900. I can't remember. Okay, so I was right. It was it says 860 pound-feet of torque for a 15 and 440 horsepower. Okay, not bad. Google's saying this right here. I knew it was something like that, but I just didn't want to get too mauled in the comments. So, okay, but the power's good. The second thing that I love about this truck is the interior. The interior in this thing is sweet. It I know it's a platinum and it's the top of the line. It's not. The platinum and the Lariat are the same exact truck, besides the badging. It's the same exact truck and like the sound system or whatever, but it's pretty much the same truck. Center stack, everything just looks really good to me. The seats are amazing. The seats are really, really comfortable. The thing that really pisses me off about this truck, which I'll make a next video, is there is no speedometer. Like, you can't look at your speed. At least I figured it out, but I'm like 90% sure you cannot look at your speed in this truck, which is retarded. Like, that makes no sense to me at all. How you can go through. It has a bunch of cool things on it too. It has truck apps, has off-road, like air angles and whatever you're doing. It has a trailer app to see what the trailer's doing. It has my key. It has A and B trip fuel things, gauges, tells your oil time, you know, transmission time, your GP. But there's a bunch of blank screens. I don't understand why Ford didn't put a fucking Speedo in here somewhere. Like, I just don't get. I don't understand why they would make a nice ass truck like this and update everything else besides this. I don't understand that. Why, Ford? Why? The thing that I love about my truck is the exterior, the way it looks, the way it's set up. It's not too lifted, but it's not like stock. Stock in these trucks, the offset is like the wheels are tucked in too much and it looks weird. Look at Rams and they have a little. They're not offsetted, but the wheels are flush with the body. These things are tucked in underneath it, which kind of looks really weird to me. I don't know why they didn't give it a little bit. I mean, probably something engineering-wise. Some engineer probably did that for a reason. But anything I own, I don't like to have stock because I'm an idiot. I don't know, just me. Front end is huge in the same. The headlights are huge. It just looks beefy, like, to me. It just looks like badass. Well, this will lead into the next topic, which is the fourth thing, is how much attention this gets. This truck gets a lot of attention. Driving down the freeway, people will look at you. Just in general, like, people always stop me and say, "Nice truck." And I mean, you know, thank you. Like, it's cool. It looks. I think I made it look all right. I think I made it look pretty decent. But on the flip side of that, people hate this truck because mall crawler and all that shit. On YouTube, they're saying, like, the biggest thing is, "Your dad bought your truck." That's probably the biggest one. It's because I'm young and I have a nice truck. I don't know if I ever heard of a car payment. It's not that hard to acquire. It's really not. It's car payment working. I don't understand why it's just like a hard concept that people understand. I just don't get it. But yeah, that's like 4 things that I like about my truck. Saying that and this fucking rant, I'm gonna get off. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, talk some shit because that's funny and everyone enjoys some shit talking. No, it doesn't bother me. So all the trolls that want to keep doing it, please, because you're getting you're giving me more views. So really, I mean, it actually kind of helps me out. If you want to talk some shit in the comments, you want to leave something nice, and I prefer nice comments because, I mean, no one likes to get talk shit at, but to me, it doesn't bother me. So if you want to just leave something down there, go ahead. All right, peace out, bitch. You make me